Hello, welcome to this tutorial where we will learn how to close a position in stocks, sell stocks, following a boost sent by Grande, and using the ThinkorSwim desktop version of the platform from Ameritrade. So let's suppose that we just received a boost that says sold to close IMU at 35.89, and we're going to follow that impulse and we're going to close our position in IMU, Immunomedics Inc. And we're going to sell those stocks. So wherever we are, we go to this monitor tab. This is the easiest way to close our position. We make sure before selling stock, if we're following a sold to close, because it says close, we first need to make sure that we own that stock so that we do have IMU in our position. So that is the case because we're here in monitor. We would go to monitor for wherever we are. And we go and we look in our positions and we see that we do have that stock. So because the boosts say sold to close, we need to close this position. We need to sell this stock and sell it because we have it actually 3,000 positive. So the easiest way to do that is I right click on the name on the ticker, and this menu opens and I say create closing order. When I stand here, this sub menu appears and it says sell 300 IMU at 35.61, and I hit enter. I hit the left click and I get this menu here, and this menu says stock I'm selling 300 IMU, stock 32.62. The lock is open, leave it open. It's a limit order, leave it limit. Make sure it says limit day best. And I hit confirm and send. It's telling me that same thing. I'm confirming. I'm going to get $10,686, and I hit send. And it sold. It filled immediately. I got the message. So how do I know it's sold? I go to monitor and I can see that now I have 0 in my quantity. It means that I sold those stocks and that my position got closed. And that's how I feel a boost that says sold to close IMU 35.89. That's how I sell to close. I first go see if I have them. If I don't have them, I don't sell. Otherwise, I would be opening a position if I don't have it. But because I have it, I'm going to close it by selling. That's how you follow this boost using the ThinkorSwim platform of Ameritrade for desktop. Thank you.